Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today we are going to be doing a tub clean using this Carbona Washing Machine Cleaner. So this is a front load washing machine. This is a combo dryer and washer. So first off, what you want to do is that we just want to clean this one first, the outer layer of the rubber. What you want to do is just get one bounce or any dryer sheets and let's run it all across. See, because using a dryer sheet, this attracts the excess lint that is stuck here on the rubber. So instead of using a paper towel, which gets easily torn up, using a dryer sheet is much more feasible. So let's just clean this up before we run the tub clean function. So as you can see, there's lots of lint. Just gonna get all of those. Perfect. So that's all clean, so let's go ahead and throw this into the washer. So this right here, it comes with 3 packets inside. So we're just going to use one. And for front load washers, you want to do is that you put it here. For the top load, you throw all of the contents of this packet directly to the drum. That's for the top load. Now this is for the front load, so what we're going to do is we're going to place it here. So let's take this one off first because that's for the liquid detergent, and let's fill this one up here. Let's go ahead and empty the packet. Okay, then let's close this one up, turn it on. And what you want to do is that just, if you have a tub clean function on your washing machine, just set it there, then click start. So that's it, guys. It's that easy for the LG combo washer and dryer. So if you don't have the tub clean function here, what you want to do is that you want to set it to normal, and then you want to use extra hot for the setting. So since this has a tub clean function, all you gotta do is just set it there and click start. That's it, guys. So thank you for watching. Once again, if you have any questions, comment down below, and see you again in our next vlog. Bye.